The first thing that you need to know about is the secret tips on how to use Corbettmaths to get grade 9. And when it comes to Corbettmaths, it is something that is accessible to all students. Everyone has access to it. Everyone can access it for free, but the difference is how you use Corbettmaths, and that's the difference between the grade 9 students, the grade 5 students, and so on. So it's dependent on how you use Corbettmaths to get a grade 9, and I believe the method that I teach you, the secret method that not a lot of students know about to get a grade 9 using Corbettmaths, is something that I'm going to reveal in this video. So I would urge you to continue watching till the end of this video. Make sure you listen carefully, and as I stated at the start, make sure you take notes, listen carefully, and take this advice quickly and act upon it quickly so that you'll be ahead of the other students. So in terms of the first step is the fact that after you finish the Seneca quiz, you have to copy and paste the title of the topic. So we will do a demonstration in after this explanation in this PowerPoint, and I'll show you guys what I mean, how I want you guys to do things, and how to take on my advice and get that grade 9 and be closer to getting that grade 9 in your GCSE Maths. So after you finish the Seneca quiz, you have to copy and paste the title, and as I mentioned, this is related to Seneca. So if you haven't watched the video regarding Seneca, then you should check out the previous video, or I'll leave the card at the top of the screen, or you can check in the description description for the videos with the links regarding to which topic. I would urge you to watch that video. I think a lot of you guys will enjoy that first, then using this will be the most important things. There's no point skipping, because at the end of the day it will be your loss. So you have to copy and paste the title of a topic from Seneca. So whatever topic you just finished learning, I would urge you to copy that topic. Or if you take a break halfway through, you finish the Seneca quiz, you finish the whole section of not like a whole section, but one topic. After you finish it, you can take it some time, have a break, and then you come back to using Corbettmaths, and that's when you copy and paste the Seneca quiz. So you have to add Corbettmaths at the end while searching in the search bar. I'll show this all in a demonstration very shortly, but you have to add the words Corbettmaths so that Google will know that you have to go to Corbettmaths, and it will show the topic from the Corbettmaths website, and it will save you hassle from trying to find the topic. So if you don't do this, then it may be difficult to find the topic. There will be other ways I can teach you guys to find the topic that you're looking for. Sometimes it might not be 100% sure that it will show the right topic that you search in the Corbettmaths after you type the copy and paste the title of the topic, and you add Corbettmaths into the search bar as well next to it. So don't worry, I will teach you guys how to do this. I'll show a demonstration, so do not worry. But when you go into Corbettmaths, you will have to watch the video and watch it carefully, and that's something that I urge you guys to do. But I'm going to explain these guys in the demonstration, so do not worry about this. So there will be a Corbettmaths video. If you guys are familiar with Corbettmaths, you will know what this is. There's normally a video to watch, there's normally some questions to do, and that's, speaking of questions, there is exam worksheet which I recommend you guys do, and you do the questions of the exam worksheet, and there will be a lot of things that I'm going to express to you guys in the demonstration video, which will be shortly presented in a few moments. But I would urge you to take notes of these things. As you're watching this presentation, you might have an opportunity to write this down on your notes or in your book, because that's why I first put this presentation slide first before I show the demonstration, because the key points are here. So it's something that you can follow as a routine. And if you guys haven't checked out my previous videos, such as the mentality video, one of the first videos that I released on this channel, it's that secret mentality that you must have. And one of those key aspects of repetition, one of those key aspects of practice is very, very important. So I would urge you guys to watch that video if you haven't. I put a card at the top of the screen, and you can also check out the description, and the other videos from the channel should be there as well. Do not worry, you have a great opportunity to get a great grade 9, and a great chance to get a grade 9 as well if you follow the steps that I tell you. And the one important step is the fact that even if you're stuck on a question, you still have to do the question. That's something that I'm going to express as we show the demonstration shortly, but this is a very important thing. When you're stuck in a question, you still have to do the questions. You have to assume it's as if it is the final day. It's your final exam. You have no more chances to look at the revision, nothing else. This is your final chance, and there's a lot of guys that I've seen, a lot of students that I've seen, a lot of people that I've tutored in the past have struggled when it comes to, when they're stuck on a question, you still do the question. A lot of you guys skip the questions, and I'm going to teach you guys in the next video how to use exam papers to get a grade 9 in GCSE Maths in another video, in a separate video. But this is an important thing. Even if you're stuck on a question, you still have to do the questions. and then you go to the answers and mark it. These are basically the few steps that I recommend you guys to do when using Corbett Maths. I've literally put this nicely for you guys in one presentation, and this for the few points so that you guys can literally copy and paste this. Or maybe in the future I could be providing the slides that I use, that I use, and I'll provide to you guys if you would like. But that's something that I'll work on. Maybe that I might be in the video shortly. I just have to do some work on that, and then I'll get some links accessible for you guys. So make sure you guys remind me if I forget to do that anytime soon. And when it comes to these steps, these are the steps that I recommend you guys must do, and that's something that I believe will help you get a grade 9 in GCSE Maths. And now we'll transition to the screen recording where I show you guys exactly what I'm going to do, showing from top to bottom, from bottom to top, showing exactly what I tell you guys to do.